Okay, and I also found this brand new double pack for 2026, guys. The second one, Rhinomite versus Lion Share. I had this one, but I sold the Lion Share, and I got it again. 2026, guys. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. There's the back. I need these. I need those. These, and that's on these because I stepped on this one accidentally and I broke it. This one, to get that one again. So yeah, I already have these. So I don't have to worry about these. I have them, so I don't care. Alright, further ado, let's go and open these. Sorry, guys. Let's get over the Lion Share because we've seen that one released. Here's the new black rhinomite. I love the mud detail. The teeth look more aggressive there than rhinomite. Dark blue rims and beadlocks, yellow roll cage. Like a lightish dark blue chassis. The yellow horn. The mud on the front. It's a real life truck now. I know we all know that, but that's really cool. They brought it to real life. Black rubber tail. Plastic right here. And this is metal down here. That's the only thing that's plastic on this body, the headpiece. Of course, the Lion Share. Lion Share, I love the gold paint because there's a lion up there. Got that yellow metal flake. The lion sign and the windshield that's red. Brown roll cage. Chrome chassis. Gold rims and beadlocks. So that's all the trucks I got today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, share your cans. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out.